Oh.
Super fast. The quicker we get home, the quicker we get to watch football. Car coming. Super fast, dude. Keep pedaling, keep pedaling, keep pedaling. That was really good, dude.
Almost hit me.
I did not.
Yes, it did.
All right, I'm watching you. Keep going.
You ready? We gotta make it home.
Keep going.
Daddy.
He's fixing his own pedals now, too.
Yeah.
This is like the 5th day he's tried this. This is awesome.
Okay. Second, we're gonna turn.
All right, slow down a little bit and turn left.
Turn.
Oh my goodness, look at this kid go. Look at him go.
Very good.
Where's the front end car?
Okay, well.